Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a messenger group. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the messenger application, and after that just simply go ahead and tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here you should be able to see at the very top group chat. So just simply tap on group chat, and from here you can just simply select the people that you want to add, or you can just simply use the search bar over here to search for the specific person that you want to add. Just simply tap on it, and from here you should be able to add as many people as you like. After that, once you are done, you can just simply tap on create at the top right, and from there you should be able to create a group chat, and you should be able to message each one over here. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.